This class is called the Art and Culture of the DJ, and that might seem like a narrow topic, but in fact there's so many things that we cover in this class. The DJ is one of the central figures in popular culture and popular music today. But beyond that, we talk about the business of DJing, club culture and gender and race. It covers the history and even politics, but then also the craft of DJing. We also have professional DJs in the class discussing issues with us, or they're in the lab demonstrating maybe how to scratch or how to mix a record or how to create a set.
I love music and I think DJing is super cool, but I've learned a lot more about the history of DJing and where it's coming from and really understand how DJ culture has influenced music in general.
A lot of what is so central to DJing is that it allows people to be themselves. This class allows the students to delve deeply into a lot of different topics that will be very familiar to them from their experience as a college student, but also I found that students are able to connect what they learn in my class to many more classes than they might have imagined.